You ever had fern kimchi? This one is I got it at the Korean store. It's already pre-cooked. All you need to do is make your own recipe. This is fern kimchi, yung wild na wild na gulay sa kagubatan. But already this, we make an easy way. You know, I have friends that go to the mountain and they have that here in the US. So this is fern before they got all the impurities, right? But this one already been cleaned. This is 3 packages total. I got, so that's a lot because I'm gonna give some to our neighbor because my neighbor loved the kimchi I make. Mine's recipe is very simple, but I put a lot of seasoning to make that wonder taste. So I have this organic red wine vinegar. I'm gonna put on that. And this patis is really important. And then I have black pepper and I have the Caribbean inspired adobo blend. I like a little bit pinch of that. And of course ginger powder. And then we have sesame ginger crunch in the end. We're gonna put that in the very end. So I usually I'm gonna preserve it but inside the fridge. It needs to be inside the fridge if I put it in mason jar. So and then we have a lot of white onion. And I have honey. I always like to put honey. Yan, honey yan guys. Na ginawa ko yan ng honey guys. Na kinukok ko talaga siya galing sa raw honey. So this one is the base, kimchi base. Yan talaga kailangan mo para magiging kimchi. Kimchi yung ano mo. At saka ito, ang pang seasoning ko is sweet cooking rice seasoning. And ang oil kong ginagamit is sunflower oil. And then, dalawang, 2 of the lemon. And then, here we go, some sweet pepper. And I have bouillon. This is beef bouillon here. 2 beef bouillon and a big stable bouillon. Okay? So that's it really, what I'm making. So I'm gonna make that right now. And I'll show you guys right after. Let's put it together so you can just put it one time. Okay, this is our beef bouillon. 2 cubes. And 2 cubes of nor big sibol bouillon, right? So now we put in ginger. Just like half a teaspoon of ginger because I love ginger. Black pepper. Not much, it's just enough. And that one Caribbean seasoning, I just put a little bit of it too. To give that kick. And this one here is the ancho chili. It's a little bit, have that kick. And this one is Chinese 5 spice. Ayan. Lamihan natin kasi gusto ko yung lasa niya. Okay, and then we put the Cajun. There you go, just a little bit. And this one later, the sesame ginger crunch. Later na natin yung ilalagay. So, ito rin, ilagay natin later din yan. So, we're just gonna mix that up. And then this one, you can just put it together. And then the wine vinegar later when we heat up the pot, okay? We're gonna saute the onion now. So, let's show you my fern kimchi recipe. So, a little bit oil. That's my sunflower. I usually put a little bit more. And then, let's heat up that just a little bit. Okay, and then let's put our onion. Put that. I already put my rice seasoning. Red wine vinegar organic. You can add to while cooking also. One for now. Put our fern kimchi. And guys, narisito siya po. Hindi pa yung luto. Pero pre-cook na yan, kaya okay na siya. Huwag yung i-overcook kasi titigas siya, di ba? So what we're gonna do, I'm going to put our kimchi base. Kasi maanghang to guys, but I like maanghang. So I wanna put half of this. Okay, half. Ang iba, ginagamit lahat siguro yan. Pero half lang yan ng bote, oh. And let's put a little bit of patis. Ayan, 2 tablespoon yun. A little bit more of the wine vinegar. And then, a little bit of honey. Ayan guys, yung honey natin. 1 tablespoon ilalagay ko. Ayan siya, oh. Ayan. Tingnan natin, hindi naman natin ibalik yan sa sarap niya. Pero kailangan marami talaga yung honey. Para manamis-tamis siya, na maanghang, na maalat-alat. Ganyan ang flavor ko sa kimchi. And then we're gonna put most of the lemon kasi masarap ang lemon talaga. 2 lemon ang ilagay ko as in. Okay? Yung pepper mamaya na natin yung ilalagay, na-slice na natin. So ito, irisiko muna ko yan, but do not overcook them kasi titigas siya. Huwag nyo talagang hayaan na mag-dry siya. Like, if it dries, then you put a little bit water, like hot water at a time. Para hindi talaga siya mag-dry. Huwag niyong i-overcook lang. Okay? So yan, ganyan na muna siya. Ano yan lang, medium cook, medium high lang yan.
Anghangan pa natin, lagyan natin ng kayan. Para anghang talaga siya. Yan talaga guys, anghang yan. And then, add more ground ginger. Ang sarap at saka good for you yan, di ba? And then, luto na to. Kaya ilagay na natin yung bell peppers. Tsaka ilagay na rin natin yung green onion mamaya-maya. Okay? Sorry. And
Yan na guys, narisik ko na siya, right? Just before it got done, we put our bell peppers. Kasi maganda siya pag crunchy lang, okay? Hindi iluto yung, ano lang, medyo, ano lang siya, luto-luto, konti lang yung peppers, right? Kaya naalala nyo, ang dami kong seasoning dito, ayan o. Kasi ganyan ako nagluluto, nandyan lang, abot ko lang. Like what I need, bell pepper or whatever, is also the fridge is right in the corner, or black pepper, whatever. So, yan lang. So, yan oh, yan. Onions, at saka, itong sesame, ano natin, itong sesame ginger crunch. Madami yan. Kasi tapos na yung ano natin, i-ano na natin yan, i-turn off na natin, pero yung heat is still going. Ayan lang guys, ang sarap ng kimchi salad ko. Yan lang, kung hindi nyo pa nagawa, gawin nyo na kasi ma-addict talaga kayo nito. Ang iba, hindi makayang walang kanin, ito kaya ko walang kanin. Kasi kainin mo with fish or something. Ayan. Tikim-tikim na natin. Ayan, tikman natin ngayon, ha. Tikman natin. Tikman natin yung kimchi natin. Ayan na guys, diba? Yan, yung pako. Pako ang tawag sa atin yan. Sa Tagalog. Pako kay wings biya na sa ano, no? Sa chicken. Pero ito, ano yan talaga? Pako sa kagubatan. Ayan, tikram na. Oh my God. Crunchy. Perfectly well done. Ang sarap. Sarap talaga guys, as in. Ayan. Pwede nyo pang lagyan yan. Later, pag nag-plating kayo, pwede yung lagay. Okay, mag-plating tayo ngayon para makita nyo paano ako mag-plating. Now guys, I'm gonna show you how I plating my kimchi. So good. You can eat it with a fish. You know how easy that is, right? So this one, I like everything. The onion is still crunchy. Ayan lang guys. Kainin nyo lang na parang salad yan. But then you can also eat it with fish, with steak, anything guys you want. Masarap talaga yan as in. Ayan. Ito yung lagyan nyo ng ganito. Ito, ang masarap talaga. Ito. Sesame ginger. Ayan. Lagyan mo lang sa ibabaw. Ayan. Ayan na. Ayan. Ayan na siya guys. Oh. Ayan yung kimchi natin. Bought from the store, pre-cooked already. Then you just need to season and make it your own recipe. Yan ang ginawa ko guys. Yung mission jar ko, galagyan natin. Kahit mainit pa, para mag-ano siya, para mag-sealed. Gusto ko ilagay sa ano ko para mag-sealed siya at hindi nasisira for at least a week or so. Ayan, kailangan mong ilagay talaga siya. Ayan, ganyan. Kaya nga may ano sa plato sa ibaba. Ano talaga siya kasi nga, maano yan eh. Ayan o. Ayan, gaganyan nyo lang yan. Oh. Punasan lang after. Lagyan natin ng ganyan yan siya guys. Oh. Ilagay nyo talaga na ganyan kasi nga mataas siya, diba? Para siyang noodles. Ayan. Noodle from kagubatan. Ayan, tama na siguro yan. Lugasan lang natin after we put the lid. But make sure it's clean. Ayan. Ganyan pa. Okay. Lagyan natin ng sauce. Lagyan natin siya ng sauce para hindi siya dry. Ganyan lang guys. Nakagawa na ba kayo nito? Pag hindi nyo pa nagawa, gawin nyo na. Kasi masarap talaga siya as in. Nakagawa ako nito is good for, I don't know, hindi pa naabutan ng ilang buwan, ubos na. Kasi ano siya, masarap talaga siya kainin at nakakagana ng pagkain. Ayan. Nakakagana talaga siya. Okay, ganyan lang yan. Ganyan lang siya at linisan na natin. Nilagay ko na sa mission jar, kaya isa lang gusto ko, okay lang yan sa akin. Kasi marami pa dito hindi ko i-jar kasi kakainin. Tapos sa neighbor ko, gawa tayo ng plate kasi nga gusto niya to. Nag-aantay lang yan na magawa ko. Ayan. Nag-aantay lang yan siya. Nagagawa ako guys. Hindi siya marunong kasi. Next time, gusto daw niya akong tingnan paano ko ginawa. Kasi you're welcome to do that. Pero busy kasi ako. Ginagawa ko lang yan pag may time ako. Madali lang naman siyang gawin. Pero you know, ito sa isang neighbor, gawa pa ako sa isang neighbor. Tatlo yan sila nga na kumakain nito as in. Ganyan. Minsan, ano, hindi nila sinasuli yung mga lagyanan. Pero okay lang naman. Kasi marami naman akong lagyanan. Ayan lang siya guys. Kailangan ko pa talaga ng gumawa ng marami as in. Ganyan lang yan. Paggawa ng kimchi. Very simple, affordable. Pero kailangan mo lang talaga siyang maraming, alam ko, masasarap naman siya kahit wala kang masyadong ilagay. Pero yan talaga, kailangan mo talaga yan. Ito, number 1 na kailangan, plus honey, plus kimchi base, patis, red wine vinegar. Kasi iba talaga guys, napakasarap talaga niya pag nandyan yang. At saka itong 5 spice na Chinese 5 spice. Napakasarap niya talaga as in. Kaya gumawa na kayo ng Fern Kimchi. Ayan na guys. Thank you for watching. Happy Meal Vlog TV in my YouTube channel. And Maricel Precious Petron. At saka Couple Adventure in Washington State. Me and Kevin. Ayan na guys. Yung nagawa natin. Plus sa mga neighbors pa na mabigyan natin. Okay?